Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Main Street ramp here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Notice this elevator is not in service because of that flow indicator. But anyway, we got some modded Dover suit to ride. Is it broken? Okay, we can only go up. Interesting. And here it is. Yep, just as I thought. It's a modded Dover. Let's go up to 5. That's at the Northwestern distributor of Dover. Yep, yeah. You got it too. There's another bank, but I don't feel like walking all the way over there. Here we go. Let's go to 5. Apprentice cab. Bruiser. Pretty nice view. But hopefully replacing a lock. Anyway, let's go down to 2 because we can't go down to 1. Dot matrix floor indicator. Innovation Bruiser. And here we are at 2. Huh, that's funny. And there goes this one. I find this interesting. Elevator not in service. But anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.